Hey and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tashiko. You're so very much welcome. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyeliner. This will be very easy and quick. It won't be long, and I assure you after this, you'll just be able to do your eyeliner. So kindly watch till the end for you to know how to. Don't watch till the middle and then say now I know how to. Just watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's slide, jump or walk into the video. So let me just zoom you in for this for a closer look. So if you can see my eyes, I have hooded eyes. That means that I have an extra skin laying here. You can see, yeah, and my eyes are quite small, so I want to do my eyeliner now. And definitely the first thing you need is your eyeliner. This is what I'll be using. This is the W7 eyeliner. This is what I'll be using for this video. So the first thing I'll do is I'll draw a line immediately where this and this lower lash line and the upper lash line meets. So that's where I'm first going to draw a line, and yeah. So yeah, that's how I did it. I just drew a little line, and for this to be easier for you, you just do this to your eye. You just make it you just like close it a bit, and here there's like a line that comes here, so you just join in here like that. You see, you have something like that. Now I'm going to pull this down like that, you see, like that. And now I'll fill in this little box I've created here like that. And now I have something looking like this. Now I want this to make this smoother and more defined. So I'm just going at this highest point where I drew my line. I join this to that. And now I have something looking like this. I'm not going to put on any eyelashes and false lashes, so I'm just not going to make it thick. But if I was going to apply my false lashes, I would have made it more thicker. But now, since I'm not doing any false lashes, I'm just going to make it not look so thick. So here I'm just making it more smooth and more defined. And now you see I've created something like this. Even if I open my eyes, you'll still see I have my eyeliner on, and you can see there is a very big difference between this eye and this one. So I'm now going to do my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use my mascara, because I'm not going to use any falsies, and just brush up my lashes. And that's pretty much it, how I do my eyeliner. You can see there is a very huge difference between this eye and this eye.
And this is what I was able to come up with. This is how it looks, and I'm so much in love with it. I love how it turned out to be. Yes, that was pretty simple and pretty easy to do. So until next time, bye.